This is 20 naira. 20 naira. Yoruba call it ogun naira. Ogun naira. We have the picture of General Muritala Mohammed. General Muritala Mohammed, and sometimes Yoruba call it Murikan. Murikan, but it's Ogun Naira, but Yoruba also call it Murikan. So if you say Murikan, if you say Ogun Naira, it's still the same thing. Welcome to Learn Yoruba with Ifeoluwa. To my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Our topic for today is Nigerian currency in Yoruba. Nigerian currency in Yoruba. We have 8 denominations in Nigeria. I'll be telling us the currency in Yoruba and whose picture is on the currency. So let's get right into it. This is 5 naira. 5 naira in Yoruba we call it náírà márùn. Náírà márùn. That's 5 naira. Náírà márùn. And we have the picture of Tafawa Balewa. So this is Tafawa Balewa. We have the picture of Tafawa. If you can see it well, this is Tafawa Balewa. And here we know Tafawa Balewa. This is 10 naira. 10 naira. Yoruba call it náírà mẹ́wàá. Náírà mẹ́wàá. That's 10 naira. Náírà mẹ́wàá. And we have the picture of Alvan Ukoku. Alvan Ukoku. And it's náírà mẹ́wàá. This is 20 naira. 20 naira. Yoruba call it ogun naira. Ogun naira. Ogun naira. This is 20 naira and Yoruba call it ogun naira. We have the picture of General Muritala Mohammed. General Muritala Mohammed, and sometimes Yoruba call it Murikan. Murikan, but it's ogun naira, but Yoruba also call it Murikan. So if you say Murikan, if you say ogun naira, it's still the same thing. This is 50 naira. 50 naira. 50 naira. Yoruba call it àádọ́ta naira. Àádọ́ta naira. So we have 4 people in front of this note and they represent Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa and Niger Delta. Sometimes we call it waso. We also call it better life. So Yoruba people say better life. Bamu better life. Fumini better life. Fumini waso. Change miku waso. So they will just tell you this one waso. So if you call it waso, if you call it àádọ́ta naira, you call it better life. It's still the same. 100 naira, ọgọ́rùn naira. So 100 naira is ọgọ́rùn naira. 100 naira, ọgọ́rùn naira. We have the picture of Obafemi, Awolowo on it. As you can see, it's Obafemi. We have Obafemi Awolowo's picture on it. 200 naira. 200 naira, igba naira. So this is 200 naira, igba naira, igba naira. And we have the picture of Amadu Bello. We have the picture of Amadu Bello on it. 500 naira, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀ta naira. And we have the picture of Nnamdi Azikiwe. Nnamdi Azikiwe on it. This is 1,000. This is 1,000 and is the highest denomination for now in Nigeria. Highest denomination out of the 8 denomination that we have. This is the highest denomination for now in Nigeria at this present moment. So this is 1,000-Egberún kan náírà. So 1,000 in Yoruba, Egberún kan náírà. 1,000-Egberún kan náírà. And we have the picture of Alhaji Mayobonu and Dr. Clement Isong. Thank you very much for joining us today, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Thank you.